Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the Azure Network Security Group rules. How to create Azure Network Security Group rule using the Terraform loops, right? We would like to create Terraform Azure Network Security Group rule inbound and outbound using the loops, right? So let's start. Um, I hope everyone is able to see my screen. I would request you one thing. You have to focus on my code, right? I would like to tell, right? So basically it is a Terraform provider information. This is a version as of Azure RM. This is a backend where is my store Terraform state will be stored. If you want to see how to authenticate service principal using the Terraform, so I have already created a one video. Okay, so you can go through inside the Azure Cloud playlist. Today topic is how to create network security group rules inbound and outward using Terraform loops. So it is a provider. Here we can use service principal credential and all, right. So if you want to create your NSG, so you should have a resource group. So I'm just creating this resource group. Okay, resource group name is this, and I'm going to create security group, and what is the group name is EEDNSG. Okay, and that is a resource group name. Okay, I'm just calling Azure resource group dot state domo dot name. Okay, so we can get this resource group name inside this security group. Next we have to create Azure RM network security group role, NSG roles. So basically if you are going to create manually over the, let me show you. So I hope this is very clear to you, right? This is our resource group. I will tell you all these things, right? Okay, so create. Okay, this is coming. Oh, so PST test NSG. Just hold for a moment. So manually created the test NSG. Okay, so this is the priority name, port, protocol. I just want to show you this, right, in the code wise, right? This is a normal like manually created. I just created in front of you. So let's go for that. So you should have some parameter ideas, right? Okay, I want to show these parameters. So here, if you want to create any network security group rule, so we should have a uh, we can forget this foreach. I will explain. Name, priority, direction is inbound and outbound, access allowed deny, protocol TCP UDP, source port range, source destination port range, source address, which source address you have to allow, destination address, from which server you need to allow, right? So this is the mandatory things. And I do have a resource group. You should need a network security group name. So this, I think, parameter, now you can able to understand this, right? One more thing I have to prefixes. One is destination address prefixes and source address prefix, right? So what is the this ES? This is a single string value. This is a list of the string value. Hope you can understand list of a string and single string. Okay, I will tell you in the public. So I have declared this type of the variable whatever the required parameter is required. But how to call for each loop, right? This is the NSG role. So we can understand how where dot NSG role. So which type of the variable we need to declare in this scenario. So variable NSG rule, type map object. Why we should use map? Why we did not use map list? Because list is the same type of the data type, but object we can consider multiple data types. With this string, number, and all, right. So if you have understand priority is a number, direction is a string, all these is string, but here I commented out this, right? Prefixes, list of string. I mean we can pass multiple IPs, right? I hope you can understand. And this is the NSG rule. Then I need to declare these, right, in the Terraform variable. So this is a NSG rule. So this is a map. So map, this is started. Okay, inside the map we do have object. So that is object 1. This is a rule 1, and this is a rule 2. So let's understand what is the rule. Name, testing, NSG rule, priority 1026, direction inbound, and whatever NSG rule do you want to add. So just comma, edit rule 2, rule 3, rule 4, rule 5, right? This, right. Access is allowed. Protocol is asterisk, TCP, UDP, and all, right. Source port range is asterisk, and destination port range, and source address prefix, and destination address prefix. Okay, so and this is outbound rule. Okay, outbound rule, and I have access this source prefix, this IP, and destination is asterisk, and I have commented out these twos, right? Like I will create once this is created. So let me run this profile. I hope you can understand. This is the rule. This is the, then I have declared here, right? So if you want to access this rule using the loops, right? So where, this is the where.nsg rule, and this is in the for each loop, and how to access parameter each dot value dot name. This is a syntax, I would say. If you can click this over this, map value corresponding to the instance, right? If you want to map value traverse, so each dot key, if you want here each dot key, so you can get it the key name, but we want for value itself of the name, right? So it will come the name value. Okay, so let's start our demo. So it will create a one security group, these rules. Okay, so let's start. PWG Terraform. Okay, I have this is, I need to delete. Okay guys, this is need to delete it. Terraform init, we just need to initialize this. Okay, and let's see how it goes. It will take some time to initialization. This is successfully initialization. And if you like this video, kindly do like and subscribe. It is a great help for me, right? Because it's a completely dynamically I am showing as per my experience and expertise. So if you like this video, that is a great help. So that is done. Terraform FMT, if is there any spacing issue, so it will. Terraform validate, and we have to use this process as well. And this is the Terraform dev.tf. All the values is defined is the dev.tf. So how we will pass this, I will show you. Okay guys, I think validation is taking some time, and make sure if you are using this destination prefix, so you cannot use parallel this prefixes. This is a, people will ask diplomatically. Okay, if we are using prefix, and like if we need to allow virtual network IP, which element we need to use? So this is this one. Basically we have to use list of a string, not, right? So make sure this Terraform apply -var -file is equal to Terraform dev -auto approve. Okay guys, let me show you there is no, I would say, resource group. New resource group need to be created here, right? There is no resource group. Let's go for that. This is still acquiring the lock, and this is showing four add to relate, right? So let me show you in front of you. It is created. Terraform will perform the following. NSG need to be created. Security group rules, okay, will be created, okay, and that is called rule 1, and okay, this is the rule, first rule, and this is the rule 1, right? The second rule basically I have declared as well. This is the first rule, and this is the first rule. Okay, hope you are able to connect this, right? So this is a dynamic lever. How many rules you are going to create? I hope this is created. This source group is created. This is state demo. This is our, I think it's created, and what we are going to create here, it is state demo. This is the name, and inside that we have created the rules, NSG rules. We just need to go, and this is the ECED NSG. That is an NSG name. And if I talk about the inbound, so we have created this, and this is created successfully. Okay, and we have created outbound as well. One just need to see outbound. This is created. So let's come to the main point, which I discussed this here. Like if you want to allow, not asterisk, okay, if you want to allow virtual network, okay, from virtual network we need to allow, so we have to use only string, this, not prefixes. In prefixes we cannot pass this value. Prefixes we can pass multiple IPs. Hope you get it. And if you are using address prefixes, so you cannot pass asterisk value in the IP section. Asterisk will not accept at all, right? Okay, so I will show you this virtual network in just here. Like if you want to pass virtual network here, right? So this is will come destination, like service tag internet, and it automatically change virtual network. Okay, so make sure if you want to allow like virtual network, so virtual network need to be allowed. So only this is feasible with this destination address prefix name, not ES. ES is multiple IP. I hope you like this video. So kindly do like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.